Do you want to speak English every day without translating in your mind? Today you will learn 100 simple English sentences that native speakers use in daily life. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Let's start. Morning sentences. 1. Good morning. 2. How are you today? 3. I'm feeling great. 4. I slept well last night. 5. It's a beautiful day. 6. What time is it? 7. I need to wake up. 8. I am getting ready. 9. Let me brush my teeth. 10. I need a shower. 11. I am hungry. 12. Let's have breakfast. 13. This coffee tastes good. 14. I am leaving now. 15. Have a nice day. At home. 16. Please open the door. 17. Please close the window. 18. Turn on the light. 19. Turn off the fan. 20. Where is my phone? 21. I can't find my keys. 22. Can you help me? 23. Please wait a minute. 24. I'm coming. 25. That's a good idea. 26. No problem. 27. Take care. 28. See you later. 29. Welcome home. 30. Make yourself comfortable. At work or school. 31. How can I help you? 32. I have a question. 33. Can you explain that? 34. I understand now. 35. That's interesting. 36. I agree with you. 37. I don't agree. 38. Let's start. 39. Let's finish this. 40. Good job. 41. Keep going. 42. Don't give up. 43. I will do my best. 44. Thank you for your help. 45. You're welcome. Meeting people. 46. Nice to meet you. 47. What's your name? 48. My name is John. 49. Where are you from? 50. I'm from Pakistan. 51. What do you do? 52. I am a student. 53. I am a teacher. 54. It's nice talking to you. 55. Let's stay in touch. Shopping sentences. 56. How much is this? 57. It's too expensive. 58. Do you have another color? 59. Can I try this on? 60. I like this one. 61. I'll take it. 62. Can I pay by card? 63. Here's your money. 64. Keep the change. 65. Thank you for shopping here. Restaurant sentences. 66. I would like to order. 67. Can I see the menu? 68. What do you recommend? 69. I'll have this. 70. The food is delicious. 71. Can I get some water? 72. Excuse me. 73. Can I have the bill? 74. Thank you very much. 75. Have a great day. Phone conversation. 76. Hello? How are you? 77. Can you hear me? 78. Please speak slowly. 79. I'll call you later. 80. I'm busy right now. 81. Can you text me? 82. I'll send you a message. 83. Thank you for calling. 84. Talk to you soon. 85. Goodbye. Everyday conversation. 86. What are you doing? 87. I'm just relaxing. 88. That's wonderful. 89. Really? 90. Are you serious? 91. That's amazing. 92. I think so. 93. Maybe. 94. Of course. 95. Why not? 96. Let's do it. 97. Sounds good. 98. I'm ready. 99. See you tomorrow. 100. Have a wonderful day. Congratulations! You have just learned 100 English sentences that you can use every day. Practice these sentences every morning and every evening. The more you repeat, the more confident you become. Remember, small practice every day creates big results. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep improving your English with Mr. Fluent.